All right, so we are here at the New York International Auto Show, and behind me we've got the Kia EV9 three-row all-electric SUV. We took a look at this last year, but I'll show you what they've got here in the GT line. Talk a little bit about it now that it's actually out there on the roads and being delivered. So let's go take a look.
That's right.
All right, so the Kia EV9 is Kia's first fully electric three-row SUV. We saw this here last year at the auto show, and I got to take a look inside, but that was like the first time it was being shown in North America, and now we're actually getting these out on the roads, and we've had a lot more reviews and stuff of them. So this is the GT line, which is the absolute top line one. This is all-wheel drive version. You see here we're not in the matte paint color, which means it doesn't have the customizable lights here, but still think this looks really nice even in the gloss option here. And got the big glass sunroof here that actually opens, which is quite cool and sets it apart from some of the other all-electric three-row SUVs. Let's see, talking about stats here. Driving range is 270 miles here in the GT line, which is the lowest. You can get over 300 in the single motor varieties in like the lower trim levels. As you can see by them moving the awards here, this did win the SUV of the year. Let's see, this will charge in. Okay, I don't know why they give you the 240 volt level 2 charging time, but with the platform underpinning this is an 800 volt architecture car, like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and 6, as well as the Kia EV6, which means that it charges incredibly quickly, peaks of over 250 kilowatts, and can charge from, I believe it's 10 to 80% in 18 minutes, which is just incredible. So there are a bunch of different trim levels here. There is the light rear-wheel drive standard range, the light long-range rear-wheel drive. So the light standard range rear-wheel drive is the only one that you can get the 76.7 kilowatt-hour battery in, and that starts at just under 55,000. All of the others have a 99.8 kilowatt-hour battery. The light long-range rear-wheel drive starts at 59,200. Then there's the Wind, the Land, and the GT line, which are all-wheel drive. And that takes you all the way up to $73,900 on the GT line, like we see here. This one, as configured, is actually $78,430, $30, including destination and handling charges. Right, so we have a dual 12.3 screen panoramic display, including the navigation. This has got 20-inch wheels. Right, let's take a look on the inside here. So here are those dual 12 point whatever inch screens. You can see one of the things that they just announced today is customization options, where you can have your displays like color coded and stuff for your favorite NBA teams. So it looks like here for New York, we've got the Knicks. Sure. All right, so here are your steering wheel, storage options in the middle. You've got some additional storage down under there. Charging over here, USB-C. You've got here in the GT line these interesting cup holders that kind of swivel out for your stuff. There's some additional ones right there for the rear passengers. You've actually got seat adjustment controls here on the passenger side. Lots of storage space up here in the front. And as you can see, like really spacious, lots of headroom here. Got these really nice, like mesh fabric-y seats as well. Nice roof racks. Let's take a look. So here in the back, in this line, you've got these captain chairs, these pockets for storage. It looks like these are on adjustable rails here. Are these power? Oh, these are actually powered adjustable ones, as well as power folding. Okay, we're not powered. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that was one of the things I heard about, this super slow folding seats. You can't be in a rush here to get in the back seat. Whereas in a car where they're like manual ones, even though it's manual and you have to push it, it's a lot faster. But anyway, that's a nice option here. And you can see here these 2 seats in the back here, and lots of space once this is folded down. I've seen a lot of comparisons between this and the Rivian R1S, which we've got, and I would say this feels like a little bit bigger on the inside, especially in the front seats here. Maybe a little bit here in the middle row, and then the third seat's about the same, pretty cramped, but fine for kids and everything. I don't feel like this is a substantial difference, but yeah, I mean, probably a little bit better use of space in here than in the Rivian. Nice that you have this opening sunroof here, although it's not fully connected, which is a little bit of a letdown, at least compared to the Rivian, where you have just one massive one that goes all the way across. So you've got your controls up in there, and yeah, pretty nice in here. Heated and cooled seats back here, pretty cool. You got this little sunshade here, which is a great thing for the kids, and a USB-C port here on the side of the seats. Some actually like a little storage thingy in here. Oh, that kind of slides back. That's cool. And does this work? Yeah, I don't know. Interesting. Yeah, nice room here to kind of get into the back, which is nicer than the Rivian, where you have one less seat here. But I do wish you had captain chair options in the Rivian. I would absolutely have gone for that. And then here's all your trunk space in here. And then you can see how much space you've got here in the front. All right. Let's see if we can maybe pop this one. Yep, okay. We've got these awesome tail lights here that I think are one of the best pieces of this. It's supposed to be like a 3-way intersection design when the concept came out last year that I told us about. And then you can just see how much massive space you've got here in the trunk. 12 volt here. Oh, and then we've got an actual 120 volts, 15 amp outlet here. So slide that. Cool. And then folding seats. All right, very nice. There's your aero wheels. All right, so that is the Kia EV9. A very compelling, very affordable option here in the burgeoning group of all-electric 3-row SUVs that had very few options as little as like a year and a half ago, and now the competition is kind of heating up here. And I think what sets Kia apart here is the affordability, the space that you're getting in this package, really great charging, pretty good range. To me at least, I really like our Rivian and just sort of the feel that you get with the adventure theming and styling and stuff with it. There are a couple of other nice features like the flashlight and the camp speaker. Performance is a bit more. I love the quad motor setup there, and just the ride quality, the air suspension and everything. But for really kind of more like the getting around, commuting, taking the kids to practice and stuff type vehicle, instead of like driving up off-road, I would definitely recommend this one. And I think this is a great option for anyone who's looking to go electric but has a larger family or needs for more passenger seating. All right, so that's the Kia EV9. Little quick look here. Not a ton of detail this time. Hopefully we'll be able to get into one and drive it at some point. But I also did a deeper look at this last year when it was unveiled here at the New York Auto Show, so I didn't want to spend too much time on that. But hope you enjoyed this quick look at it. Let me know in the comments below, and please do like and subscribe. You don't want to miss any of the content that I've got coming here from the New York Auto Show. We've got a walk around and a bunch of other individual vehicle deep dives, including some of the newly launched stuff here. So check all of that out. With that, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you out there on the road.